I love the way mornings smell. Pay no attention to the spider webs. We have to get rid of those every morning. You'd think the spiders would learn, but they don't. They continue. I mean, there are trees everywhere. Look, there's a web right there in that tree. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's from that limb down to the tree. That's fine. You can build in the trees, just not the porch.
I'm gonna show y'all how I do my pancakes. Folks,
made them one
we're gonna
time.
revisit this morning. Now, this is just something I want to share with you. These are really good. It's a different kind of pancake.
They're kind of like,
they're
I would even just call them egg cake. They're mostly like egg cakes.
Well, don't be insulting my
I'm
pancakes.
not insulting them.
These are pancakes a different way. First of all, I don't do a lot of measuring.
No, that's the reason I couldn't give the recipe yesterday, but here we go.
I go by feel, everybody. I get pumpkin baby food.
Yeah, he says that it does smell like baby food. It's just pumpkin. That's about half a cup there, I think.
Okay, so you got your pumpkin. Good.
Y'all hear any crackling?
I remember from whenever I was that age.
It's this wood wick candle right here crackling.
Okay.
You remember it?
Oh my goodness. I remember the first time whenever I got here and they spanked me.
Mm-hmm.
I remember. Why do some eggs do that and some don't?
It's the way you cracked it. Crack this one on the counter, not the bowl.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You are amazing. I was thinking chop it in half, and she didn't do that. Now, I got some all-purpose flour here. This is actually gluten-free right here. You're gonna see I'm not gonna hardly use any of this.
Maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons, I guess.
And that's just gonna help it kinda.
Is that all you did?
That's it.
That's it?
And I'm gonna put some sour cream.
Oh yeah, sour cream. Or you could use cottage cheese if you want to go that cottage cheese. I don't think so.
Okay, folks, we're gonna use sour cream.
Yeah, sour. Sour.
These pancakes are really good, and I'm telling you, they have a, they're good.
They're kind of like
they're good for you too. That's the thing. They're actually good for you. No inflammation.
They're kind of like a crepe, kind of like a Dutch baby. That's about a 1/4 cup of sour cream, I guess.
There you go.
That one even has a pumpkin stem.
I did it, folks. I did that right there, not on purpose. But it was the Lord's will. Did you get this from Aldi?
Yeah, I got that from Aldi.
Aldi made a weapon right here.
Oh yeah.
If I'm not here and somebody comes to this house trying to bring harm to my family, all family's got to do is say, you better get back, Jack.
I just need some water in it. Tyler wants to boil some eggs.
You can hear them putting that on the belt.
Are you for real?
Look, down all the aisles, look, Paul.
Here, there's this thing heavy. Woo.
Look, the rest is all Christmas.
Really?
Yeah.
And again,
Look at that little stem.
that little stem right there. There you go, pancakes. Really good.
I rushed out this afternoon to cut the grass because y'all know I'm loving cutting the grass right now. Because the weather told me afternoon rain. So I got out there and I was like, I'm getting this grass cut before it rains. It didn't rain. That's okay. At least the grass is cut. Now it's time to cook supper. Tonight we're making Grandma's baked mac and cheese with some hamburger steaks and potato wedges. This is a really easy macaroni and cheese recipe. You don't even have to pre-cook the macaroni. You just put everything in the pan, put it in the oven. I'm just gonna spray my casserole dish real quick. We need 2.5 cups of sharp cheddar. Of course, I've got a cheese taste tester coming over here. Here you go, sir. Let us know how that is. Does it pass the test? Okay. You want some cheese?
Yeah.
Here you go. We need 2 cups of pasta. You can use whatever kind you want to use. I mean, spaghetti probably wouldn't be the best for... I'm just imagining that one. Has anybody ever done that before?
That'd be weird. That'd be nasty.
I'm sure it's been done.
Spaghetti.
So we're gonna mix some of the cheese with the pasta. And we need 4 cups of milk.
That's a lot of milk.
It is a lot of
4
milk.
cups?
4 cups. The macaroni or the pasta is gonna be cooking in here. We're not using elbow macaroni, you know, but
That's
pasta and cheese. We'll just make sure all that pasta's down in there. We're gonna put some salt and pepper. Just salt and pepper to taste, however much you want to put. I have a little mouse over here that keeps on sneaking the cheese. Okay, we'll just stir that salt and pepper around a little bit. Now we put the rest of the cheese on top. And it's going in the oven when it finishes oh, it's ready. It's going in there for 45 minutes. That's it. Grandma's baked mac and cheese is very simple. Okay, I'll clean this up real quick and then we'll make the hamburger steak patties and slice the potatoes for the potato wedges. Tyler said they are putting out Christmas stuff at Walmart, y'all. I think we already talked about that earlier today, but yes.
like, I thought it was some random person would come and break through the window and jump in here.
All we'd have to do, buddy, is grab out that cast iron pot from Aldi.
That's right.
Jump it on their
Get
head.
back or I'll throw this.
I'll be right out there with you, Daddy.
Okay, so I've got the potato wedges in the air fryer. Just gonna put some salt and pepper. And the family told me that I have not been letting these get tender enough. They were for me, but they were not for them, they said. So I'm gonna cook them for 15, shake them at 375, and then we'll cook them for about 12 more minutes.
Yeah.
They should be good then.
I like mine really crispy.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So we're just about a week away from the actual first day of fall. And I haven't decorated outside yet because we've just been busy doing all the projects and stuff down there. So I'll probably decorate either this weekend or sometime next week. Got to get a new maid over George and Martha. This is Grandma's oven-baked pasta, macaroni and cheese. I didn't use elbow macaroni, but you know.
Thank you, Granny. Good.
Yeah. Very hungry.
Caterpillar.
In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Where's the egg?
Right there.
One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry
Caterpillar.
He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one
Apple.
apple, but he was still
Hungry.
On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but
He was still hungry. Good night.